Curzio here with a new live video. It's titled My Winner of the Worst Debate in American History. I think we could all agree that it was pretty much a shit show. Uh, Yelling, screaming, these are people who are supposed to be leaders of the free world. I don't care what side you're on, but it wasn't entertaining. And more important is we didn't really get an idea of their policies and how they're going to make America better. Right? It's more like a shouting contest. So I would say that there's no winners in terms of Trump shouting every second he can, interrupting, and Biden calling him a clown and back and forth. But there was one clear winner when it comes to a sector to invest in, which I'm going to give away later on my Wall Street Unplugged podcast. So that's my podcast I've been hosting for, I've been doing it such a long time, you forget, 13 years. So I'm going to break down the election by topic because what you need to realize, and I think what we all realize, is these politicians, they really don't give a shit about you. They don't give a shit about me. They care about power, money, and they're going to say whatever they want in order to get that. But it's important to really break down, which I'm going to do in this segment, on Wall Street Unplugged, every single topic because it's going to impact your portfolio. I'm going to give you that number one sector to invest in that's going to go up no matter who wins, and also some plays based on if Biden wins or if Trump wins and what is going to do really, really bad in case nobody wins. And this takes about a month or two. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, but anything past a week is going to result in uncertainty. And there's a lot of stocks and sectors that could get hit. So it's going to be a great podcast. More important, I'm going to interview one of the smartest people you'll ever find in the entire resource sector. His name is David Garofalo. He is the chairman and CEO, former chairman and CEO of Gold Corp from 2016 to 2019. And that was right before they sold to Newmont, creating the largest producing gold company in the world. He has 30 years of experience. Amazing guy. He's going to talk about the gold sector, what to expect going forward, and his new venture, which is a guy that just came off the sidelines. He could have went anywhere. It's like LeBron James becoming a free agent after Gold Corp was sold to Newmont, and he decided to go to this one small company, which is very, very interesting. So a lot to cover on the podcast, absolutely for free. Wall Street Unplugged. It's going to publish around 4 p.m. today. Any questions, comments, guys? I'm here for you. FrankCurzioResearch.com. And I'll report back to you guys soon. Take care.